Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to this amazing YouTube channel where we share various tech content. My name is Lona and I'm a container SRE and cloud engineer. And if you're new here, karibu sana, you're definitely in the right place. And if you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, I love you so much, and please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel because there's so many of you who watch it and they're not yet subscribed. Kindly consider subscribing to help the channel to grow. And also, as you watch my videos, also please consider giving a thumbs up on each and every video and also share as much as you can. So today in this video, I want us to look at how to upgrade a Kubernetes cluster. So as usual, I'm running my test environment in VirtualBox. These are the nodes that make up my Kubernetes cluster. I have one master and two worker nodes. And as I always tell you guys, if you want to run a small testing environment for your own learning purposes, for your own development, I think that using VirtualBox is quite easy. You can create as many virtual machines as you can. You can create a Kubernetes cluster and use it to learn to run various things that can help you to learn. So I have my master and two worker nodes, as I've already said, and I want us to upgrade to the next version. So this is my master node, and they're checking from the terminal. I want us to see the current versions in this cluster. So for kubeadmin, just say kubeadmin version, and there you go, you have 1.273. You can also check the version for kubectl, kubectl version dash short. That is the version for kubectl, the same version as kubeadmin. And then you can also check the version for kubelet. So kubelet version, and sorry, I mean kubelet, not kubectl, kubelet. There you go. So I want us to upgrade to the latest version of Kubernetes. Not really, okay, let's say, yeah, the latest, but I know a minor version to 1.28.2. Yeah, so what I usually do when it comes to Kubernetes, I really like using the Kubernetes documentation. I feel like it has everything, and it gives you the best guide that can help you to do whatever you want to do. So I have this already opened, the Kubernetes.io and the documentation part. So this link for upgrading kubeadmin clusters in Kubernetes, let's go to that and see if we'll be able to upgrade our small cluster to version 1.28. So as you can see, it's giving a very nice guide on how to do your upgrade. So wherever you want to do your upgrade, kindly come to this documentation, Kubernetes documentation, and I can assure you that you'll never go wrong with this one. So let's proceed and see. So I'm running on Ubuntu, so we are going to use this one. So the first thing to do, you unhold kubeadmin. So we first of all need to upgrade kubeadm. Once you're done with kubeadmin, you need to upgrade the other applications, that's the kubectl and the kubelet. So let's start by upgrading our kubeadmin from the control plane. So this is the control plane, so we'll be doing it from our master node first before we go to the worker nodes. So I'm already in my master over here. Let me check the nodes, kubectl get nodes. You can see I have master 1, worker 1, and worker 2. So I'm in the master node, which is my control plane. So I'm going to start upgrading kubeadm on the master node. So let's just run these commands as they are. The first one, this holding of these services is because when you're doing the installation for the first time, you need to hold so that they don't upgrade anyhow whenever you run. Maybe there are some updates running in your servers, or maybe you run apt-get update, then they start updating these applications. So you need to have them on hold until the next time you're doing an upgrade, and then you can unhold. So let's do it. Paste. What is the error? Yeah, so it needed for me to use sudo. So I've already unhold kubeadmin. So the next thing is to run update command. So let's copy that. So to do one by one. I don't want to do all of them at a go. So let's copy. Okay, let's switch to root and see. So that is done. The next thing we need to hold back Kubernetes. So let's run that. Copy and then paste. So it's on hold. The next thing, let's check the version. So you can see I already have version 1.28, so we need to run our upgrade plan. So let's go paste. So that is done. So the next thing that we do is now to upgrade. So after running the upgrade plan, now let's run the actual upgrade for the version that we want. So you copy that, paste, remember to put your version there. So once our master node is done, the upgrade for the kubeadmin, we need to do the upgrade for kubelet and kubectl. So for that, we'll have to drain the master node if it's carrying any ports before we do the upgrade for kubectl and kubelet. So let's check. It's still upgrading. So if you had more than one master nodes, once you're done with the upgrade for your first master node, you come and do for the second master node. So you don't go and run the upgrade apply again. Just go direct to kubectl upgrade node for the rest of the master nodes. Once you run the first one where you did the apply and then you did the upgrade, in the second or the third control plane nodes, you don't have to do the apply anymore. Just do sudo kubeadmin upgrade node. So that will be easier for the remaining master nodes. So this one is still going on. Let's give it a few minutes. So once this is done, we need to do the upgrade for kubectl and kubelet. So that's when we will have to drain the node if it has any workloads. This is the command for draining. Draining is to remove all the workloads running in the node. So we usually ignore daemon sets because daemon sets have to run in each and every node. So yeah, let's wait for a few minutes to finish, then we can continue. So the upgrade for kubeadmin is done. We are going to now proceed to upgrade kubelet and kubectl. So before that, we need to drain the node. So let's run this command for draining. Paste. First of all, let's get the name of our node. kubectl nodes. Sorry, can I exit this? kubectl nodes. So it's just master01. Need to get this name, and then we need to run the drain command. So you know diamond sets, and you can also delete empty dish data. So you can see the posts are being removed, so that you can go ahead and upgrade kubectl and kubelet. So once we drain our master node, let's go ahead and switch back to root. Then let's go ahead and upgrade kubectl and kubelet. So you copy that, paste to unhold the upgrade, and then copy this command to upgrade the two. Remember to pass in the version that you want. So for me, it's gonna be 00 over here and 1.28.2 for both, and 2 over there. That is done, so we need to run the hold command so that they are back to being on hold. And then we restart our kubelet. So first of all, reload daemon, paste, and then we restart our kubelet service. Maybe I should exit the roots. So that's it. So let's check the nodes once again. Oh, we need to uncodon. Remember our master node was codon. Let's see, get nodes. You can see it's codoned. It's not ready. It's scheduling disabled, so we need to uncodon. So kubectl. Did I restart kubelet? I have restarted, so we need to uncodon our master. So it's uncoded. Let's check again. It's now ready, and as you can see, it's in version 1.28.2 of Kubernetes. So that's how easy it is to upgrade your cluster. Of course, starting with the control plane, just follow the documentation on the Kubernetes website, and you'll get it as easy as that to upgrade. So let's proceed to, I think we'll only do one worker node, then you can just for us to see how you can also upgrade the worker nodes, and then I'll proceed with the rest after the video. So let's SSH into this one. How can I be able to SSH? Let me see, using the host name. No, let's get the IPs. Or rather than SSHing from here, we can actually log into the individual worker nodes. Let's see, this is my worker 01. So let's also go and upgrade this one. we are going to be using the same documentation. So let's go to Kubernetes.io. So search for Kubernetes.io. And then from the documentation, let's look for upgrade Kubernetes cluster. There we go. So we pick the first option, and then we go straight to upgrading worker since we are done with our control plane. So upgrade worker nodes, it's here, and then we choose upgrade Linux nodes because we are running Ubuntu. So the first thing that you do, you also need to upgrade keyboardmin. That's the first thing. So let's remove it from hold. The terminal. I switch to root /I. Not now, remind me later. Let's unhold. That's done. Then let's run the upgrade to the version that we want. Copy, paste. So here we have 002. Yeah, that's it. So that's done. We need to hold back. So that's okay. So we need to do the upgrade with the keyboardmin. Paste. Once we are done with the update, upgrade for the keyboardmin, we need to do the upgrade for the kubectl and kubelet, just like the master node. So we'll have to drain the node first, just as we did for the control plane. So it's done. So let's drain the node. Also, we're going to drain from the master because I don't have kubectl on the worker nodes. So let's paste the command for drain. Sorry. Where is it? Yep. Copy. Then we drain it from here, from the master. So the name is worker01. Then we delete empty data. Yeah, so once it's done, it's coded. Let's go ahead and upgrade these two kubelet and kubectl. So the first thing we unhold. So we go back to the worker01. Remember, for draining, we're draining from the master because I don't have the kubeconfig file here on the worker nodes because I ran all the commands from the master. But now for these are the commands I'm going to be running them from the worker node itself because these are Linux commands. So let's copy that. Go to the terminal. Let's go to root, paste, and then we do the upgrade. Run that command. Once it's done, you put them back on hold. So you copy that. Let's give it a few to finish. Paste. And that's it. So we need to restart our kubelet service on the node. And then we need to uncoded. Remember, we had coded it. You can take from the master, kubectl get nodes. You can see our k01 is coded, so we need to uncode it. So say kubectl uncode for k01. Check nodes again. Our k01 is ready and it's running the new version of Kubernetes. So that's how easy it is for you to upgrade your Kubernetes cluster. One thing I've said is that the documentation from the Kubernetes.io website is really straightforward and it will help you to do your upgrade really fast. So I'm not going to do this one because the video is going to be long, but you still need to repeat the same process depending on how many worker nodes you have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the video is helpful, and I hope that if you want to upgrade your Kubernetes clusters, this video will help you. And also definitely using the Kubernetes documentation will also be very easy for you to finish your upgrade. So consider giving this video a like, consider sharing, and kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Until the next one, see you, bye.